by Ramdas. It's so good. It's like this. So there are like things that are written and stuff, but most of it is like random, like not random, but really philosophical stuff. It's mind blowing. What's up, guys? Hold on. First question, do you think I wear black too much? I feel like I've just been wearing black every single day. Well, yesterday I started reading this book, Emotional Intelligence. To be very honest, the book I read before this was Shoe Dog by Phil Knight, the founder of Nike. It was so easy to read. I've never read something which I just swished through like 400 pages almost in 9 days. That's like my record at least. Now I'm reading this on like science and stuff, and I just realized like my pace of reading is so much slower than it was with that book. And it was because of how heavy the material was. It was because of how it was written, how the story was being told, and this was like... Okay, so I am going to my best friend's house. It's her birthday today, and her name is Roxy, and it's actually a pretty interesting story actually how I met her. I'll tell you that later in this vlog. What's funny is it's the 18th of May today, and I have forgotten her birthday almost each and every time since we've known each other. It's the first time after a really long time that she's actually been in India. So I'm going to go meet her and come back home before 7 o'clock because that's when the curfew is. There's a cake here. Oh. Okay, so we've got the cake and a couple other goodies. Now I'm going to Roxy's house. I don't know why I'm pretending like it's a surprise. She knows I'm coming, but I'm just excited to see her, I guess. What are you doing? You want to fail?
No!
Come, come. Roxy! Hi.
Hi. You have to still keep distancing.
Are you mad? Because if you are, I'm sorry.
Now we'll keep
I'm
this.
sorry, it's late now.
I'll wash my hands. This is like a moisturizer one.
You have that, that's Tariq.
Some people are just a bit cruel.
Excuse me, why?
Social distance, one of
You know how Roxy and I met?
No, I don't know that.
So
Come on.
about, you know how everyone knew Roxy because she's so popular and stuff back in the day.
Okay.
So Tariq doesn't know this story. You guys don't know this story. Roxy and I know it, but I want to hear it from Roxy's side. So why don't you tell it? Come on.
Okay, so I was at my friend Nikki's house. You might see her in a little bit. And it was her birthday eve, 2010, 9th of March. We were putting up some videos and
Very awkward.
oh, it's a video! Sorry, I didn't know till you guys. I think in one of the videos I mentioned a TV show, or we spoke about a TV show. What? No! You don't remember this?
I don't remember any of this.
And then Parth went to school with Nikki before, and then Nikki moved to my school.
You know, people used to comment on each other's walls and
Yeah,
write on
yeah.
each other's walls and comment.
So
have
we-
conversations
So
on
we
like,
posted this video, on Nikki's wall for
Was
her
it you
birthday,
dancing?
and then we were like, oh my god, Nikki's gonna be 15 in 10 minutes! Half an hour
about me being a 14-year-old? It's been like half an hour. How cool is this?
And Parth commented like, oh my god, something, and then something about the TV show.
I replied to you about something.
The TV show. It wasn't directly to me.
Okay.
Slide into the DMs back in 2010. Then yeah, he wrote that, and then I think the next day,
Yeah.
he added me on Facebook, and I obviously.
I made the move.
Louder together.
And now we're married and we have 2 children. And then
The end.
Is that it?
No, I was joking like.
And then I accepted him because I'd seen that he'd Parth must have messaged me. If only we could find these messages. Do you fucking mind replying?
Follow,
Don't talk to me.
I can't live with her. This is my mom probably I'm talking about.
My mom is killing me. Either I'll kill myself or she'll.
God, we're in 2012.
This actually is probably when we speak more.
Yeah. Tell me a good porn site. I'm bored of you just. Rocky's open about a porn site. And my braces got stuck in the pillow. What the fuck? Basically what it was that she went to London and then we started chatting on Skype like
Yeah.
a lot more.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's how we became friends. So the moral of the story is that be open to having friends from weird places. I actually have so many weird friends. Like
This is your outro.
yeah, I was just thinking. Yeah.
You're gonna be in Parth's vlog. Another outro. No, I'm gonna One more time.
Bye guys. Love you guys. So on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog. So what do we learn from that? We learn that friends come from all kinds of places. Just be open-minded to receive and be curious to know other people's story, and you'll find such amazing people along your journey you won't even recognize it. I have so many friends from so many different walks of life at so many random places where I might have connected with them. It's ridiculous. So on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog and I'll see you next week, hopefully before. But I'll see you next week for sure. Peace. Bye. I had a fake license and I dropped that, okay, somewhere around the party. And she just found that and she started looking for me in the party.
And fake ID.
Oh, no way.